Okay, 3/20 times 5. Again, the first thing I look at here, the first thing I notice is this 5 and this 20. They go very nicely together, but it's not the way that I want. But I could simplify it. So I do see 1/4 there. In fact, I think that's what I'm going to do. Because again, I could do 3 times 5 is 15. I mean, I could do that. I could do 3 times 5 over 20, and that gives me 15/20. I could do that. And then I could simplify this down, because again, I don't really feel comfortable with 15/20. I don't really know what that is. If I divide both by 5, I get 3/4. So 15/20 and 3/4 is the same. Again, you don't have to simplify. There's no mathematical reason to, except if you're wanting to be a little bit more precise, I guess. But what was I going to do instead? I was going to do this. I was going to switch these two. Again, according to the associative property, it doesn't really matter the order that I do this multiplication in. So I'm going to make it 5 over 20 times 3 equals, and again, I see here that I can change this into 1/4. I see that this is 1/4. So I can do 1/4 of 3. And 1/4 of 3, I can do a half of a half. 1/2 of 3 is a 1 1/2. 1/2 of a half. 1/2 of 1 1/2 is 3/4. So it all depends on how you're thinking.